Hello everyone, welcome to DIGIGOODS and Printables ELA channel. Today we're going to embark on a cosmic adventure in the art of crafting an out-of-this-world thesis statement that will launch your argumentative essay to new heights. So what exactly is a thesis statement? Think of it as the control center of your essay, the gravitational force that pulls together all of your ideas into a coherent piece of writing. A thesis statement presents the main argument or point of your essay in a concise and clear manner. It's the most important sentence in the entire essay. After you've written an excellent thesis statement, you can use it to craft every other part of your essay, even the hook. Let's break down the components of a strong thesis statement. Imagine you're writing an essay about the importance of space exploration. Your thesis statement could be something like this. Space exploration is essential for humanity's advancement as it leads to scientific discoveries, technological innovations, and the potential for interplanetary colonization. Notice how this thesis statement is specific, debatable, and provides a roadmap for the rest of the essay. Now let's analyze each component. First is your topic. Your thesis statement should have a clear and narrow topic. There is one exception to this rule. If you've already mentioned the topic previously in the paragraph and it would sound weird to repeat it and it's obvious what you're talking about, you may not need to include it in your thesis statement. You can use your best judgment. Your topic must be specific. We're not just talking about space in general. That would be way too broad. We're focusing on a particular aspect of space. Specifically, we're centering this essay on space exploration and what it means for humanity. Next is your claim. Your thesis statement must have a claim. The claim is what you are arguing is true about your topic. In this thesis statement, we're claiming or arguing that space exploration is essential for humanity's advancement. Your claim must be debatable. This means there are reasonable arguments against it, and there are reasonable people who disagree. Some may argue that space exploration is a waste of resources that should be spent improving our own planet. This is also a valid point. Therefore, this claim is very debatable. It should also be firm, meaning it's clear where you stand on the topic. You are not uncertain about your claim. A claim such as it could be a good idea to explore space or space exploration might be important is not firm. It's wishy-washy and not very convincing. Next is your reasons. Your thesis statement must also contain reasons. These reasons are the support for your claim. This thesis statement has 3 reasons. That it leads to scientific discoveries, technological innovations, and possibly interplanetary colonization. You'll discuss and provide evidence for each of these reasons later in the body paragraphs. In other words, each one of these reasons will become a supporting topic for your claim, and each will have its own paragraph. Your body paragraphs will have topic sentences related to these reasons, but that's a lesson for when you're ready to write your full essay. Side note, you can find a link for the full essay workshop in the description below. When researching your topic to find supporting reasons, you will most likely find many of them if you have chosen a great topic. Your job is to narrow it down to the strongest, most convincing reasons that you can find. This will ensure that you have a strong, convincing, argumentative essay. How many reasons should you use? Well, this depends on how long you want your essay to be, or most likely how long your teacher requires your essay to be. For beginning writers, you should plan on a body paragraph for each reason. So, for example, if you're asked to write a 5-paragraph essay, considering it includes a counterclaim, you'll need 2 reasons in your thesis. This will give you an introductory paragraph, a counterclaim paragraph, 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion, which totals 5 paragraphs. Side note, advanced writers might write multiple paragraphs for each reason. Now let's put our newfound knowledge into practice with another example. Suppose you're writing an essay against space exploration. Your thesis statement might look something like this. Space exploration should be halted due to its excessive consumption of resources and the potential risks it poses to the environment. Can you identify each of these elements in your thesis statement above or in the thesis statement above? Can you identify the topic, the claim, and the reasons? How many reasons does this thesis statement have? Get out a piece of paper and write down your answer. Now that you know how to write an out-of-this-world thesis statement, you can learn how to use your thesis to write every other part of your essay. You can find the link in the description for the full argumentative essay workshop that will seamlessly guide you through every step, making writing fun and easy. Best of all, you can choose your own topic. I'm Miss Jenny Walker from DIGIGOODS and Printables, and I'll see you next time. Happy writing!